Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. He is a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $130 million. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Chris Hemsworth. Chris Hemsworth. Chris Hemsworth. Chris Hemsworth. Some of his top movies include Thor, Avengers, Endgame, and Extraction. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Chris Hemsworth, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.